Hello guys and welcome to our class. This is ASL and today we're going to be talking about some cooking verbs. So they might help you when you're cooking, when you're trying to communicate something when you're cooking as the title says. So let's start now. We first have sift, sift, scramble, scramble, crumble, crumble, shop, shop, knead, knead, grate, grate, whip, whip, pour, pour, sprinkle, sprinkle, simmering, simmering, stirring, stirring, boil, boil, peel, peel, grill, grill, or barbecue, barbecue, carve, carve, fry, fry, mix, mix, slice, slice, stem, stem, bake, bake, roast, roast, melt, melt, spread, spread, roll, roll, layering, layering, dice, dice. That will be all for today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.